Minista wa urimi Peter Munya auma na ihinda iritu rĩa gutariria kamiti ya mbunge igii urimi mitaratara iria mariire niguo kunyihia thogora wa fertilizer uria ukoretwo ukiongerereka. Thogora wa fertilizer wambĩrĩirie kuongerereka mieri 10 mihituku kuria muhuko wa fertilizer ya DAP umaga ciringi 2,500 indi kwa ihinda rĩrĩ muhuko wa kilo 50 urauma gatagati ga ciringi 5,700 nginyagia 6,100. Munya akiuga mabũrũri maria Kenya igũraga fertilizer ici ni mambĩrĩirie kurugamia wendia wacio rĩrĩa mũrimũ wa COVID-19 watuthukire.
To severe winter, gas prices exploded in Europe, causing many uria and nitrate production factories to close, thus causing shortage of these fertilizers.
Munya nierire kamiti ino iria itongoretio ni mbunge wa Moiben Tiren Silas Kipkoech ati thogora uyu guthie na mbere na kuongerereka nginyagia muthia-ini wa mwaka uyu, akiuga bara gatagati ka bũrũri wa Russia na Ukraine ni gucũngĩrĩria hanene hari thogora uyu kwambatĩra, kuona Kenya ni igũraga kwa ũingĩ fertilizer kuma bũrũri wa Russia.
I've said very clearly that there is a big issue. The price of fertilizer, that's a fact. And I've said I've already done a CAB memo, which is already in the cabinet now.
What are we doing as a ministry? Do we pocket our hands, blow the whistles as we go to battle the sun outside there, and wait farmers to get 7,000 price? And I'm very much sure if this is the trend, next year we have no food.
Munya ni ekorire haceke thutha wa kwira kamiti ino ati bũrũri ũrabatarania mũigana wa ciringi bilioni 31.8 niguo thogora ucoke thĩ nginyagia harĩa warĩ mieri 10 mihituku, indi ya mbunge makimuhe nginyagia muthenya wa ruciu niguo kuheana kihonia kĩa naihenya, kuona kimera gĩa kuhanda ni kĩambĩrĩirie.
The chair still has an assignment to go back and give us a very clear and precise answer on this, so that as we move to the floor of the House, we want as a committee to come up with a very clear solution, as Honorable Member for Kapujai said, that this afternoon we really need to know how much do potato farmers need to be subsidized, how much do maize farmers need to be.
It's not just a mere agricultural sector that is devolved. It is actually a question of food security. And that is the reason why Parliament, including even the Budget Committee at the moment, they have decided to adjourn to wait for this conversation, because we need to see whether we are putting more money or we should try and look into the budget.
We will go and work out the figures. We will go and also deal with the e-voucher program. There has been a pain in the neck.
Ikinya ria na ihenya rĩaga gũtacũkio, arĩmi magũthiĩ na mbere na kũhinyĩrĩrĩka gũkũ thogora wa irio gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ ũgũthiĩ na mbere na kuongerereka.
You can't transfer issues from food, gutiri, to police. That one to me is untouchable. As members of Parliament of the Agriculture Committee, we can now not go home this weekend, gutiri, because the moment you step home, wanakuza wako katika kamati ya agriculture, wapi mbolea?
Irifotera Kamiti TV, Resura Kone Wajiro, Waforo.
Thank you.